In the world of canaloplasty, success is measured in microns. It's an environment that demands an unwavering commitment to precision.
To navigate the microanatomy in Schlemm's canal safely and effectively, the catheters themselves must also be manufactured to micron level tolerances. Any deviation from the strict specifications could compromise the performance of the device and the outcome of the surgery. That's why precision is not just a design goal, it's a manufacturing imperative.
Here in Fremont, California, that manufacturing imperative is met. It begins with a meticulously controlled journey inside the Nova Eye facility.
The iTrack Advance starts with the incoming inspection of all of the components. From the clean room, there are various stages of manufacturing that we do. So we do sub-assembly in the first instance, and what that means is some of the raw materials are used to make sub-assemblies up. Once those sub-assemblies are built in relatively large volumes, we then build the catheter. The catheters have to be built using a microscope because of the very small size. Once the catheters are built, then they are placed in trays, they're pouched, they are packaged ready to be sent to a sterilizer.
Taking complete ownership of a device, from the design engineer's vision to the final line of manufacturing, isn't the industry standard. But for Nova Eye, it's the only way to truly stand behind the product.
We do all of our manufacturing in-house. By doing that, what we do is we maintain very good control over the quality of the product. We are able to continuously improve products. We're able to do our own prototyping, and this enables us to respond very quickly to market needs and to the implementation of new products and changes to products.
But in this facility, the most crucial component isn't a part or a process, it's the team.
The US team brings together a unique set of skills and expertise that is essential for delivering our world-class microcatheter for canaloplasty. A highly trained production tech possess the precision and dexterity needed to assemble the components using all of the proprietary jigs and fixtures and specialised processes that we've developed. Their ability to work at the micro scale using microscopes is critical to achieving the tight tolerances that's required for our device.
This is the value of total ownership. A device engineered to spec, manufactured with intention, and backed by the people who made it. Not just a product, but a promise kept to every patient.